Welcome back, Affinity designers. In part 3 of Draw with the Knife Tool, I just want to look at some possibilities of where you might take this technique in your own illustrations. In this quick sample, I've created a 4-layer rather than just a 2-layer illustration, and the top 3 layers all have been cut through so that successive colors are shown. I also have a paper texture on the top of all the layers that I've applied an HSL adjustment to. You can play around with the layer styles, effects, opacity, but there you go. By just messing around in the layer effects palette, you can add the edge glow, the drop shadow, to make this again look like real paper that's on top of other paper you're seeing through. Quick tip, if you take that effects icon and just drag it from layer to layer, you can apply the same effects to all layers quickly. It's a new feature in Designer 2.0. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this series helped you see the knife tool in a new light, and I hope that it gives you some fuel for your future creativity. Until then, see you next time.